Direksyon na natin guys. Hindi tayo nabudol nito.
Pre, ninanawag pre.
Tayo na. Tama.
1817. Tumoy.
Posal. Ayan guys, naudlot kanina yung unboxing natin. Tuloy natin pag-unbox. Ano to? Order galing sa online na provider. So mga mahigit 7,000 yung price dito guys. May nag-sponsor sa 5,000. So yung sobra yun ang ano natin. Ano to guys? SDR. Yan. Software defined radio. SDR. Tingnan natin guys kung hindi tayo na-scam. Legit ba yung ano natin? Order. Software defined radio. Sana hindi tayo na-scam guys. Moment of truth. Ayan. So totoo guys. Yung order natin may antena, may line amplifier sa receiving nya, tapos may connector na mixi, may charger, tapos nakalagay dito guys nasa loob na daw yung TCXO, nakalagay na daw sa loob. So sana guys ano, ito yung sinabi nila, makita man natin siguro yan guys, pero balak ko pa rin buksan to after 1 month. So ito na guys, Hack RF1 open source SDR platform. Yan. SDR means software defined radio. So computer ang gagamitin mo para matingnan ang sa loob. Yan. External clock out, tapos yung antena nya. Ayan. Subukan natin guys. Subukan natin to guys. Maya maya ng konti. Guys. Ayan guys. Marami kasing gamit sa SDR guys. Pwede mo gawing scanner. Ang kagandahan nito guys, kaya niya mag-scan ng mag-operate ang frequency, kaya niya 1 MHz to 6 GHz. So 1 to 6 GHz kaya niya. Wideband talaga siya. So ang tabay sa ngayon yun lang. Okay, ang tabay subukan natin.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off.